Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will see one logical program in which we will fetch the file name from the file path, which is dynamic. Okay, so let's go through the program. So here, what we are doing, we are storing some file path. So firstly, I will explain you the requirement. Suppose this is the file path we are getting from any third-party tool, or we are getting it from some other program, which is which is nothing but a file path. So this is my folder name. Then this is another folder, and inside that we have this file, which is myfile.txt. So it is not fixed like it will also always return the myfile.txt. It could be anything. So we will write a program to fetch this name, whatever the things come after this slash, till the txt. Like we will extract the file name with its extension, but it will not be it will not always the same. It can be anything. So we have to write a logic for to get the name dynamically. Okay, it could be changed. So this thing we will achieve in this program through our logic. So let's see the logic. So what we are doing here, we are firstly declaring a few variables. So here I'm writing the code in fully free format. So for that you have to just press shift F7. Then here on first position you have to write this star free, and after that we are declaring some variable file path of 30 characters, then file name and last slash. So last slash is a variable that we will use to store some position, and then we will fetch the file name. So let me explain you the logic. So what we are going to do, we will firstly find out the position of this last slash. Then it is very easy, because if this position is find out, then we can fetch the remaining things from directly from here, right? So let's see how we use this in logic. So what we are doing here, we are using scan r function. R means, like we have discussed about the scan function, but r means it will search it from the right hand side. So it will search the slash. The first argument is a searching argument, second argument is the source string in which we want to find this variable. So it will search not from left side but from the right side. So it will find out the first slash here. So whatever the position is this, it will return to this last slash variable. Once we got this, then it is easy for us to extract the remaining file name. So what we will do, here we will use the subst built-in function, which is substitute built-in function. Here first argument I am passing the source string, which is file path. Then after a colon we will pass the start position. So start position will be last slash plus one. Okay, so because last slash position is this, if we do plus one, then it will take my cursor to this, and after that whatever the thing is written is my file name. So it will return the file name, and then we are just displaying the file path in the output, and after that we are displaying the file name that we have fetched. And on line number 34 we are setting the star inlr equals to star on. So let's compile and see whether we are getting the correct name or not. So this is the file path, and we are trying to extract this name. If I hit enter, so it will return my file name. So this is correct. So in this way you can extract the and suppose if I change this new file dot mp3. Okay, so this will be my extension this time, and I have changed my length of also of the file name. So let's compile and see whether we are getting the same output or not. This time we got file name as new file.mp3, so which is correct because we have changed the file name. So this is a good way to write a logic to extract the file name from the dynamic path. Path could be anything, file could be anything, but it will, as per our logic, it will fetch out the file name after firstly it will search for the last slash position, and to find the last slash we are using scan r, and then after that whatever the thing is written, it will extract it as a file name with extension. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this session. In the upcoming session we will learn few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.